Greetings from Burbank. I have had my pink Smeg for about 6 months now. Still madly in love with it. Do you remember that the egg container covers, I couldn't get those on from the first video? Some nice person left a comment on Shauna Who, and she gave me the best advice. She said if I soak them in hot water for 30 minutes, they'll easily go into the little divots, grooves, thingies that they're supposed to fit into. It makes perfect sense. I don't know why I didn't think of that originally 6 months ago when I first got this refrigerator. So let's give it a try and see if that works. These are the egg container covers. These are the little pieces that I couldn't get to fit in. Ow! Yeah, you can probably see the steam coming up. So I'm getting super hot water. I'm gonna soak them for 30 minutes. And let's see if this works. First cover going on. No, they're not gonna go in. So I soaked these for another 15 minutes. I think maybe what the problem was, 30 minutes the water started cooling off. So I did 15 minutes in my scalding hot water. Okay, so this side is in. You can see that. It's getting the second side to go in. That's really... Oh. Nope. I need a man. I need a man with muscles. So since we're already here, let's talk about other issues of the Smeg. The door, remember, opening it with the handle is pretty tough. But I have to point out, my 8-year-old opens this refrigerator all day, every day, and she has no problems. And the other issue that most reviewers had complained about was the freezer section and having to defrost it. So I've had this for 6 months. I have not yet had to defrost it, but you can see, I'm hoping you can see, there is a layer of frost that has built up. You see that right there? That's a layer of ice. No defrosting required at 6 months. And I love it. I love everything about this refrigerator. But mostly, I just like how cute it is. I'm gonna see if I can find someone with bigger muscles than I have. See if they can get those covers on. Welcome back to day 2 of trying to get those egg container covers inserted into my Smeg. I went out to the streets of Burbank, looked for a man with big muscles to help me. There was nobody to be found. They're all busy at the sound stages, at the movie studios, running cable, pulling cable, building movie sets. There's nobody to help me. I am currently soaking them in the crazy hot water that comes out of my kitchen faucet. I am also going to boil my tea kettle. Do you hear that? It's whistling. There's the steam. You see that steam? That's going straight onto the covers. First one, I just dried it off real quick. Oh, shit. Remember, if I break this, I don't really care because I'm not using them anyway. So don't freak out if I bust it in half using all my brute strength to try to get it in. Oh, I can feel it bending. It's bending. It's bending. Oh, so close. First one in. It worked. And you can just stay safe and sound right there. Okay, number 2. Because I'm right-handed, so that's why I'm putting the left little divot thingy in first. I get the most power from my right hand to try to push it in. And I'm bracing with my back leg. You can't see it, but my Converse All-Stars are bracing hard against the tile floor of the kitchen, and I'm pushing with my foot and my leg and my hand. Go, go. Oh. A girl can install the egg covers. A huge shout out to Nancy Phillips. Thank you so much for sharing your idea with us and putting it on Shauna Who. It worked. I just needed to boil a tea kettle full of water. This, through my Amazon Prime account, I'm doing 18 months. I'm just paying like $111 a month for 18 months. It's interest free, it costs me no money. Meanwhile, that $2,000 that I would have plunked down on this bad boy 6 months ago is still in the stock market making me more money. So take up Amazon whenever you can. Whenever they give you a free payment plan, say yes, thank you very much, and do that. And just let your money keep making you money. Okay, that's my financial advice for today. Those are all my tips for a 6-month-old Smeg. We finally got the egg covers installed. And again, thank you very much, Nancy Phillips. I appreciate the comment. It was very useful. As always, thanks so much for joining me. Take care. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.